I found this unfinished circle tag strand with beads from Hobby Lobby for $4.49. And I'm going to start by painting one side with some Wise Owl ivory. Now these circles are about 4.5 inches in diameter and they hang to about 31 inches in length. And I did give 2 coats of the ivory paint. Once that was dry, I flipped it to the other side, and I'm going to be using some General Finishes Antique Walnut Gel Stain. Now you could pick any colors of your choice. And I like to apply the gel stain with a foam brush after I cover the entire section with the gel stain. I'm then going to take a paper towel and just rub it in. I did decide to go and cover the unfinished wood beads so that way I don't get any gel stain on those. And you can see here after I apply the gel stain and rub it in with the paper towel and get all that excess gel stain off, you can see the wood grain through the stain. And I'm going to allow that to fully dry. Once it's dry, I can remove the painter's tape from the unfinished wood beads. I'm then going to take some painter's tape, sticky side facing up, and I'm going to place the letter F in 2 letter L's. And then I had this wood leaf cutout that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just cut the stem off of the leaf. I'm going to paint the letters in some Wise Owl Fireside. Now these letters can be found at Hobby Lobby. And all paint products are on our webpage, chalkitupfancy.com. And then I decided to do the leaf in the gel stain. And again, you can really customize this easy project to fit your home decor. I'm going to take another piece of painter's tape, and this time I'm going to have the letters S, N, and W. These were pre-painted, and I have a snowflake here that I believe came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint that in some Wise Owl Higgins Lake. Now, once everything was dry, I'm going to glue my letters down onto my circles. And I'm going to place an S, an N, skipping the 3rd circle and placing the W in the 4th circle. And then I will be gluing down the snowflake, and that is going to be my O. So on one side of the sign, we have the word snow. I'll flip that over to the other side, and then I'm going to glue down my other letters, starting with the F, and then I will skip the 2nd circle and glue down both of the L's. And I'm just using some hot glue here to adhere them to the wood. And then I'm going to be using the leaf on the 2nd circle, and that's going to be my A. And there you go. Now we have a double-sided sign. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.